Before we start, I'm not here to waste your time with another scammy make money online video. Today I want to share with you an advanced strategy I developed last month to promote affiliate products with AI and increase your income. It's not simple, but the best part, it's fully automated. You set it up once and it work by itself. And don't worry, I'm not selling you anything in this video. The video has no ads, and I will give you everything, the prototypes, the systems, everything for free. All you have to do is to focus with me a couple of minutes, learn and test and try yourself. If you are ready, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Okay, without wasting time, what I will do simply is first, I will show you a small demo on how this system works. And then I will give you the system, explain it in a couple of minutes so you can set up this yourself and test it. So the idea is very simple. I developed an AI system that consists of two main functionalities. The first function is a system that collects data about affiliate products and save them in a small file. Then the second system is an AI recommendation system that uses the data to recommend the best products to your clients or users or visitors. Let's see this in action. So the first function in my system collected data about hosting services. You can see in a simple JSON file, we have the service name, information, pricing, and the affiliate links for each service. The second part of the system is the chat bot recommendation system. So here, when the user comes to the system, for example, I want to pick a hosting service, for example. So now the chatbot will start chatting with me, asking me questions to recommend the best service that fits me. For example, do you want a free domain? Do you want a low-cost plan? I will tell it, I want a free domain and the cheapest service, for example. Perfect. Based on my answers, it will recommend the best service. In my case, it's Hostinger. And the best part, it will show the affiliate link so the user can click directly and join using the affiliate link. So it's like an AI agent that works on your website or somewhere you want and promotes your affiliate products. It talks to the users and recommend the best product. And speaking of AI agents, I really encourage you to learn about AI and improve your skills. What makes you unique today and helps you be successful online is your skill set. And one of the best places to learn new skills on a daily basis is Skillshare. Not only that, on Skillshare you will find also my courses. One on building AI agents from scratch to understand the concept deeply in like 1 hour, and the second one on building AI tools on WordPress. And both courses will help you apply the strategy we're talking about today and customize it based on your own needs. Because in a few seconds, I will show you how you can turn this into a chatbot on WordPress. Instead of this prototype, you will have it inside your WordPress website. So it's really very important to learn these skills if you want to be successful today in 2024 and beyond. Skillshare is one of the largest online learning communities out there, with thousands of classes covering almost everything from design, illustration, to marketing, business, freelancing, and even programming and development. There is something for everyone. And the best part, I have partnered with Skillshare, so the first 500 people to join Skillshare through the link in the description below will get 1 month free access to all classes on Skillshare. What are you waiting for? Go now, join Skillshare, start learning and shape your future. Going back to our project, here is my WordPress website, learnwithhasan.com. I created this sample page with this sample prototype. So I converted this chatbot into a chatbot inside WordPress. If you want to promote products directly on your website, you can see here a user can click on pick a hosting service, and then in the same way the chatbot will start chatting and asking questions and recommending the best service within this WordPress chatbot. It's totally free and I will show you in a few seconds how you can do this yourself on your own website. Perfect. Now, since you understood the strategy, let me show you how I build this prototype. Let's go to my Python main code. I'll explain it so you can understand how this works. Maybe you want to customize based on your own niche or whatever. So, as I mentioned here, we have two main functions. We have a function to collect data and a function which is the chatbot prototype. Let's start with the collect data. If you go here down in the main function, you will see I passed different URLs. These are URLs for different hosting services. What's going on here is I create this script to automate scraping and reading data from different websites so I can build this WordPress hosting service file. You can see like in JSON, it is organized so the AI can understand it easily and recommend based on that. It's like a simple database of services. So if you have another niche, all you have to do is to add your own links, your own services that you join as an affiliate, and then run the script to collect data. You can change the name here. Let's say you are promoting AI tools or SEO tools or whatever you are promoting. You can build your simple database of affiliate programs. And here I'm using Simple LLM, the library I developed, to make it a lot easier for anyone to interact with AI and language models. You can see I'm using GPT-4o in this scenario. Anyway, the second functionality is the chatbot. It's a simple prototype built with Streamlit. You can see here, this is the prototype I built. The main idea here is the affiliate system prompt. Here I'm passing the JSON, the database of programs within the system prompt. And one important note here in this prompt is I'm telling the AI to ask multiple questions to give better experience to users and not recommend from the first shot. And I'm telling it to return the affiliate link with the last suggestion. So here you can see you need to make sure to add your own affiliate links for each program here so the AI can recommend based on that. As you can see is the code for the chatbot. It's very simple. I will give you all the codes, everything totally for free. So you can play with, test it, update it, do whatever you want. So this is the main prototype in Python. And in the description below, you'll find also a simple guide on how you can set up this in like 2-3 minutes to run it on your own PC if you want. And I encourage you to do that. And I encourage you to join us on the forum. Again, it's free. If you face any problem, you have any questions, anything, I'll be more than happy to chat with you and answer your questions. And by the way, you can use this same strategy to promote any affiliate product you want. Maybe you're promoting Amazon affiliate products. So you can make this prototype more generic to promote any niche you want. And you can also automate generating the affiliate link with the Amazon. Also, you can automate generating the affiliate link with each product using their IDs or so. I try my best to create a full video about this technique to automate affiliate marketing on Amazon and similar websites with this strategy. So don't forget the notifications to get every new update. Even you can promote your own products. If you have your own store, you can add this chatbot to help promote your products and recommend your products for your visitors. It's very important. It will be a great feature to add to your website. I know you may be thinking it's a bit technical, it's a bit difficult. Yes, you may be right. It's not that simple. And this is why in the beginning I mentioned, I'm not here to waste your time. I'm sharing a real strategy that really helps in increasing your income online. And come on, we are almost in 2025. Go and learn some skills. Dedicate at least 1 hour every day to learn something new, to learn a new course, to test something new. We have YouTube. We have a lot of courses online, free courses I shared with you, free access to Skillshare. Go now, start today, and you will see in 30 days your life will change. And the last tip, if you want to learn how I build this AI chatbot on WordPress without using any plugin, totally for free, go now, check this video. I explain step by step how to do this so you can clone this chatbot on your own website. If you face any problems, I'll be waiting for you on the forum. Don't forget to smash the like button and see you in the upcoming videos.